You don't need fancy tools, you don't need paid APIs, and you definitely don't need to spend a single dollar just to create content, because there's a way to generate full long form videos, from script writing to captioning and a speaker image, everything automatically without even paying for anything. I found a system that does exactly that, and it builds your entire video from your script, adds captions, places your speaker image, formats the complete layout, and creates the whole thing on its own. It has no limits, no fees, and it does not include any subscription. And since so many of you have been asking for a long form setup, and so we're finally doing it, and for this one we're going to be using the revenge stories niche because it's one of the fastest growing formats right now, and channels are getting monetized in 1 month. So creators using setups like this are posting consistently and growing fast, and they're doing it all without spending any dollar. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to set this up and start generating the ad revenue from these long form videos effortlessly. So before we start, I just want to let you know that there are 2 ways to run this setup. The first way is going to be cloud server, and the second is going to be the local machine, I mean your computer or laptop. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to run this on a server. The reason is a lot of you guys might not have a good computer or a good GPU, so that's why we are switching to the cloud. And when I say cloud, it does not mean that you have to pay. Because Google and the AWS is providing free credits. That's almost like $300, which is gonna last very long. So yeah, just stay tuned with the video, just follow along, and I'm gonna show you how to do this for free. Okay, the first thing that you guys have to do is just go to this website and then create an account. So once you create an account, you will see a page like this where you can see you will receive up to $200 in credit, which is more than enough, and it's for the 6 months. So we can click on choose free plan. Then you will see a page like this, and then you have to click on personal, and then you have to fill in all the details. Just get on with all the 5 steps, and don't worry, it's not gonna take any money from your account because it's free, and then you're just only completing the account, and then you're getting the $100 or maybe like $200 credit for free. So once you do that, once you're finished with this, and then you will be on the main homepage. Okay, I'm logged into the account. So once you will be in here, you have to just click on these 3 lines, or we can just go ahead and click on this one, and then you have to just go on and create the compute. Click on compute, and then you will see this here, EC2. Once you are on this page, it will just give you a lot of different things and as well. So here, if you can see here, there's an instance here. That's what we are going to create. We need to create an instance. Okay, now you see here this launch instance. Click on it, and then just name the instance. Basically we're creating the server, so the name I would go for is YouTube tutorial. Okay, TUT. Okay, that's fine, and you can just go with any name. And then here we need to select the Ubuntu. Just click on it, and then it says Amazon machine image. Click on it, and then we have to choose this one, 22.04 LTS HVM SSD volume type, because it's under the free tier. Just click on that one and click on confirm changes. And once you do that, don't need to change anything in here. And then instant type is going to be, you can even go with the 1 gigabits of memory, but that's gonna take a lot of time to generate a video. But I would suggest go for 2 gigabits or 4 gigabits. For now, I'm gonna be going with the 4 gigabits. It's gonna be a bit faster than the second one. So that one, and then here it says key pair login, and what you can do is simply click on create new key pair and keep the name as anything, YouTube TUT, and then everything stays same. Just click on create key pair. It's going to download a file. Just keep it saved or somewhere on the net on your computer, and then nothing to change in here. Just click on these 2 boxes to check it out, and then this is the storage. I'm gonna go with I think 30. Yes, and you can go with 20, 25, depends on you. The more storage that you're going to be using, the more the charges that they are going to charge. Okay, and then here we can simply go ahead and click on launch instance. All right, so it's gonna launch the instance. Okay, and then if you can see here, this says EC2 and instances. Just click on the instances. You would see that your instance is going to be running. Okay, it says the status is running. We click on it, you can see all of the details. It's running and IP address and everything. So now what you have to do is just simply go back to this here. It says security groups. Okay, and there in your case you will have this default and you will have this launch wizard one, but in my case I'm gonna be using the second one because I already have one instance. So you will only have those two things, default and launch wizard one. That's it. So you will click on the launch wizard. Once you have that, then you have to click on edit inbound rules, and then here you have to click on add rule custom TCP, and here you have to write 8000, and here it's gonna be this one 0000./0, and then you can just write YouTube API. Okay, no need, but it's fine. All right, it's done, and then just go back to the instances. Now we have to see if it's running. Okay, we click on this YouTube this instance. Right now it says running. Now we have to click on connect. Let's see if it's running. So once we click on connect, then it says connect here again. Don't need to change any of things in here. So it's gonna open up a new page. Okay, the instance is running. I can see the terminal here. Now we need to, first thing that we need to do is we need to install the Docker. Okay, I'm gonna give you this complete document which contains all of the things. The first thing that we need to do is install the Docker. We can copy this command and then simply copy it, paste it in here, and hit enter. So it's gonna install the Docker in this instance. So let's wait. Okay, it says scanning processes. I think it has installed the Docker. Let me check. Since we have the Docker verification, we need to check if it has installed the Docker or not. So let's just go and paste it and run this. So yes, it has installed the Docker, if you can see here perfectly. And then it says the next command is pull the image. Just copy this command and paste it in here, paste it. Now we need to pull the Docker image, which is going to be this. Basically this is going to be the main server that we're going to be installing to kind of generate the videos, you know, the main important server. So it's almost like 3.3 gigabits. It's going to just download the server, then it's going to start extracting it. So we're going to have to wait for that. I'm going to just fast forward the video for this one. Alright, the image has been completely, you know, pulled and everything. It's done. Now let's go to the next command, which is going to be running the container. Okay, and paste it, and then okay, the container is running. Now let's see if it's running or not. Copy, paste it. Okay, that says it has been created 7 seconds ago and the status is up. Perfect, it's running. Now we can even go with this as well to check the logs and everything. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it says it's running, but we can see even the live logs if we want to. That means whenever we make any videos, we will be able to see this. Now it's on the live command. That means whenever we do anything with the server, we send any request, we do something, it's gonna come up here. I mean the results. Now the container is completely running. All of the things are completely done. Now go back to this page. We have this IP address. This is going to be public IP address. This one, copy this one, open a new tab, paste it, add this 8000/health. If it says okay, that means it's perfectly running. See, the status says here okay, which means it's running perfectly fine. We can close it. Now we can use the same address since the server is running, and now we have to go to the n8n. If you can see here, this is the workflow that we have, that we're going to be using to generate all of these videos and post it on YouTube. So basically it's a very simple workflow I've designed. So I'm gonna be explaining you about the workflow, but first, as you can see here, it says set me up first, because it's a main important thing to set up first. So if I double click on it, it's just gonna show you all of those things, because this is important, because this is a node which contains all of these links, like background video URL, the image on the video, either it could be a female or the male, and the server URL, and the language code and the voice, right? So this is the thing that we need to set up first, and then we can execute the workflow to make a video. But first thing, let's set up all these things first. But to do that, first we have to make an account in Supabase. I already have one, so you just go in the Supabase, create an account, create a project, and then just go to the storage. I'll just show you directly what you see. Once you log into the Supabase for the first time, you will see something like this. You have to click on here, it says new project. Just provide that name to the project. Once you're inside the project, then you go to the storage, and then you click on new bucket. Write any name on the bucket here, but make sure it's the public, it should be turned on. And then you just gonna go and create this bucket, and what it will do, it's gonna create this bucket where you can just keep all of the files. So I already have like sample things in here that I just showed you as a sample videos, but I'm gonna do one thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete all of these things. We can just go ahead and upload all the new things. Just give me a second. Let's delete all of these things. Okay, perfect. Now let's drag and drop the files. Since I already have two video and two images, what you can do is simply go to pixels, and then simply just click on videos, right, like sunset, any video that you would like to have as a background. Just go ahead and click on it, and then make sure that you download this 1080p, this full HD. Click on it, download the file, that's it. And then what you have to do is also download some pictures that you want to showcase the front side, or any image. It should be without background. Okay, in case if you want to remove the background, you can use this website to remove the background for free. Okay, and then yeah, that's once you're done with that, just go on to the Supabase and drag and drop all those files. I'm just gonna simply go ahead and click on upload files, and then it's gonna open up the file explorer, and I'm gonna be uploading all of these files. So this one, and that one, and then that's it. It is going to be uploading all of these files. Once it's done, we're going to be copying the URL. That's the main thing, that why are we doing this. 90%. Okay, I think it's done. 99% and 100%. Right, perfect. So this is going to be the image, and if you can see here, this is going to be the boy. Click on get URL, you can see here, and then go back to the n8n. It says person mail image URL. Just go here and then paste this inside this. That's perfect. And then go back to the Supabase, click on this another girl image, click on get URL. This is the girl image that we are going to be using, and then this is a female image, and then paste it in here. And then we need the video. This is going to be the video. Click on get URL, and then same thing, mp4, and then that's it. Perfect. Now here we need to set up the server URL. The server URL is going to be the same thing here. This is the public IPv4 address. You just copy this and then paste this instead of like this IP address. Rest of it stays the same. I have already showed this in the document. Just paste it. So the URL is going to be HTTP this address, and then colon, and then 8000. That's gonna be the port address. Okay, and the language is gonna be the English US, EN US, and the voice is gonna be Eric. But in this case, I'm gonna be changing this. So in order to see what is the voice code, because you cannot just write anything in here. In order to see what is the voice code, if you go to this document, it says check language and voices. This is the URL that you have to go on, but in this case we have to change the IP address. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paste it in here, and our IP is gonna be this, and then I'm gonna be changing this instead of this one, and paste it. If you can see here, this gives us all of the voices and their codes and everything. So you can use any different voices, like any girl voices, French voices, English, whatever. So we're gonna be going to the AF hard. I think this one is the good one. Copy that code, go back to the n8n and paste it in here. That is it. Okay, so it says AF, which means it's a female voice. If it says AM, if you can see here, AF, and AM is gonna be the male voice. Okay, so this time we're gonna be using the female voice. It's a AF heart, and then it's gonna be English, and that's it. Perfect. Now, since we have set this up, all of the things, so I'm gonna be explaining you exactly how this workflow executes, how it works. So basically we have this form. If you can check here, we have all of the details. So what are the details that we are getting from this form is story idea. What is the story that you want to create the video on, the character name. Okay, so once you do that, it's just gonna send this to this, but here we are already filled with the details, nothing to do with that. And then here is the story. This is the story where it writes the actual story based on the input that we just gave using the form. So this is the prompt that we have used. Here we are just only giving the name of the character, and then here is the content, which is going to be the story, the simple idea that we are just providing this in this script, in this prompt. And then here is the system prompt. It's very simple. You're an expert creative writer, you write revenge stories for a living. Okay, very simple one. And then when you execute that, it's gonna write a complete story based on that information that you provide. Okay, and then we have this cleanup text. Maybe sometimes in our story we have dashes and everything. It removes that, and then after that we're gonna be creating a title as well. So in this here we have this. We are just kind of using this story and then using OpenAI's chat model to kind of create a title based on the story. So we are just providing him all the story details and everything, and then it provides us a good title and under 100 characters. It's already written here. The title should be maximum 100 characters. Okay, so once we do that, we are also going to clean up the text in the title, just in case to remove the dashes and slashes and everything. Okay, and then comes the real part, which is going to be the HTTPS node where we are actually creating the video. So basically this is the server URL that we are using. If you can see here, this, and then it says / and API videos, which is the endpoint to create the videos using the server. So this is the main important thing here. You don't need to change anything in here unless you're going to be changing something in that setup node. So this is the important thing now here as well. We have the send body. First thing is going to be the text, which is going to be the story itself. So we can just simply go ahead and drag and drop this text in here, and it just kind of gives us the complete story to the server. And then we have the person's image URL, and here it depends on you what type of do you want to just let's just say a person's image or a girl image or a female image. You can just simply go ahead and get that URL from here, simply drag and drop it here directly. And then we need a person's name. We already have that from the form, and just simply correct character name and just drag and drop it here. The background URL is going to be from this node directly, just drop it in here, and the voice is going to be exactly from this here, just drop it in here. Perfect. That's simple. That very simple. Then you execute the steps, and then it's gonna start creating a video. Okay, and then we have the wait node, check the status node. We have this kind of loop going on until it just gives you the video to download. So then we have the final node to kind of download the video, and then it just kind of uploads the video on the YouTube as well without you doing anything. Now let's go ahead and execute the workflow and see how this actually generates the video. I'm gonna be explaining you everything, like what's happening in behind the scenes and everything. Let's go ahead and execute. So it's gonna pop up the form. Let's just write this: wife cheating on her husband with his brother. Let's go with the name Daniel is fine, I guess. No, let's go with Tyler. submit. Once we submit, it's gonna execute the script, and then it's writing the story right now, and then it's going to clean up the text and create the title. So when it's like right now it's working, so I'm gonna be explaining one more thing here. So if you can see here, it has the on form submission node here, so we can replace this with the, if you kind of want to automate this completely for YouTube faceless channels, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and replace this with a Telegram node, and you just send hi message on this Telegram, and it executes the workflow. So right now it starts creating the workflow, and you can even check it out from the backend, and you can see here it has done something. It is now getting the request and everything. It is in the process. Even if you can go to this URL and the IP address and then :8000 and docs, it will give you this thing. And then what you can do is you can simply see here as well the video status. It will say it's in the processing. You can just create videos, delete videos directly from here as well. I'm just kind of showing you the back end of all of this. It's not important that you have to do with this, but it's just for those who kind of want to just gets to know everything about the server. Okay, so right now it's still creating the videos and everything is going in here, so we need to wait a little bit. So it's in the loop right now, so it's gonna just check, keeps checking after every 10 seconds. So I'm gonna be explaining other thing that we can do here. So I have one other thing that I have done with another workflow, which is basically not this. It's a very simple one. The complex one is kind of different. I'm gonna show you that. Which one is that? Give me a second. That's a very different one, but I'm gonna be showing you that complex one is really great. But I would have I will also give this to you as well, but this would be a bit complex. Basically this thing, it does adds the stories to your database. This is the stories that it has added already. It's just scrapes data from Reddit, and it just does its own thing and just makes this table. And then after that, once this is finished, then we execute the workflow. The workflow does the same thing. It just checks up everything, and then it checks the database. It sees which story it's going to create. If the status says skipped, it will skip that. If the status says queue, then it will just start the story with this. And after that, it creates the character, and it writes the story, then it creates title, and then it just checks out the voices that we are going to be using, and then it's the same thing. Then after that, once the video is created, it just loads the database with the status change that it has been created, and then it posts the video on YouTube, and it also then uploads the status on in here that the video is uploaded. Alright, so this is something that we can do as well. So let's just check the status. It's still waiting, so we can see it's still in the process. It's gonna take a while. I would say like 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna go back, get back to you guys, and after it's finished. Okay, so as you can see here, it says completed video in this backend. We don't need to see this, but I'm just kind of showing you. So right now it's just going to download the video and then post it on the YouTube. So until it's just going, I'm gonna just show you directly what the video is about. So we can go ahead to this URL and open it, and it will download the video directly. It's right now downloading. So this is a video, and it's almost like 5 minutes, 6 minutes video. As you can see here, this is perfectly fine. We can change the background, depends on you. And you might ask me, why is this having a space in here? It's just because when we download this picture, it has a transparent background like this. So basically the image was in this format. So yeah, that's the reason. If we have cropped the image from here and here, then this image would have been completely to the left side, and it would be like completely fine. But that's not an issue. You can just figure that out. Not a problem with that. So yeah, that's it. This is a complete good video, and you can just simply post it on YouTube and just do this on autopilot, and I think within a month, if you just go for like 4 videos a day, and within a month your channel might be monetized, because I have seen different YouTube channels. I have built this automation for 2 of the clients, and one of the clients has monetized the channel, and one of the other client which is still posting videos. Because see, it all depends on what kind of stories that you would like to post. It depends on you. If the story is good, yeah, I think it's gonna go viral. So that's it. So if you guys like the video, please drop a like and share the video, and also comment in the comment section if you have any problems. I will definitely help you guys. And yes, I'm thinking I should start the Discord channel, because a lot of you guys are having different problems in running these workflows, so there's no way to kind of help you. It's kind of hard for you guys to, and for me as well, to kind of connect with you over Instagram and then sharing the screenshots. It takes time. So I think we should start the Discord channel, and then we can build a good community over there, and then we can help each other. There might be a lot of people from in the channel that knows very well about these workflows. They can help other people, they can help me, they can give me ideas about what kind of videos I should make. I think that would be much better than just helping you guys over Instagram or something. So what do you think, guys? Please comment in the comment section. Yes, we should start Discord, and then yeah, I think I'll do it. And guys, and thank you so much for giving so much love to the channel, and we are very close to 1.5k. And one more thing I would like to know is just watch the complete video, and also watch other stuff as well, because our channel is not yet monetized, but it will be in a couple of months, I guess, or maybe like in a couple of days, or depends on you. Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day.